Para laguno ongi etorri Lasto Chaplin kanalera ongi etorri. Warhammer Chaos behin honetara eta ongi etorri. Pragera, nul utzi genuen atzean eta Praga, haude.
Back already? You don't waste much time, do you, Captain?
I don't have much time to spare, Leonid. If the Harbinger is in Prague, I need to find her.
Othrim Redax and his cultists worship Khorne. The Blood God hates sorcerers.
Where did you learn such a thing?
This is Kislev, witch hunter. We get it with our mother's milk. Every year the Norskins raid us from across the Sea of Claws. Unlike you Southerners, we can't afford to be ignorant of our foes.
Knowledge is the first step on the path to corruption.
This has less to do with sorcery and more to do with power. The Harbinger is searching for a new champion to lead the armies of chaos.
Then she's at the Tower of Skulls. That's Othgrim's stronghold inside the city.
All right. How do we reach it?
You don't. Not without an army. The tower is built on the ruins of the old citadel, and it's surrounded by monsters.
A small group might be able to slip past. Think, Leonid. There has to be a way.
I don't know. Perhaps. Let me think on it. In the meantime, there is a favor I would ask of you.
This is outrageous. We don't have time for this.
Go on. Let's hear it.
When Othgrim and his warband returned to Prague, we had no warning. They surrounded our camp in the old town, trapping most of our people inside. One of them was my son, Arkady.
That was more than a month ago, Leonid. There's no way they could have held out.
No, but some of them might have escaped before it was too late. They could be hiding somewhere in the city right now. There was a woman named Galina who was keeping a journal about life in the camp. If an escape were planned, she would have written about it.
That journal could be anywhere.
No. One of Red Axe's men has it. He must have taken it as a trophy after they've overrun the camp. I can tell you where he is. If you could get the journal back, please. I need to know what happened to my son.
All right, Leonid. I'll see what I can find out.
Aventura principala beti. Irakorne beti. Level up. Vale, dena ondo erakatu. Korne.
Can't do that right now. You've got something I want. Give me the journal, and I'll let you keep your life.
Fool! Come and take it then if you dare!
Hey!
You want a fight? So be it! Blood for the Blood God!
Vale.
I need to get this back to Gorchev. Maybe it'll give him the answers he seeks.
Claro, va. مثلا من dic. El tubo.
Is this the book you're looking for?
Yes, that's Galina's journal. I'd know it anywhere. Now we'll learn what happened to Arcady and the others. I'm sure of it. I need to find someone who can read this. Thank you, Captain. We will speak again soon. It is just as we hoped, Captain. Galina's journal says that the survivors were going to try to escape through the sewer tunnels before it was too late.
What about Arcady?
Galina said he fought the cultists day and night. They killed his mother, you see, when the city fell. He hated them with all his heart. In the end, he and a few others stayed behind to buy time for the rest to get away.
I'm sorry, Leonid. Your son was a brave man.
Don't talk like that. We don't know he's dead. He might have escaped just like the others.
We don't know for certain that any of them escaped.
Go to the Garden of Urson, Captain. That's where Galina said they were headed. See if anyone made it out alive. Please. I have to know. Arcady. He was all I had left in the world. You understand, don't you?
More than you know, Leonid. More than you know.
Misio egun berdinean, zuzenek apurra luzeko izateko. Marco Pesi también. Odol gehiago guretzat. Osea, hor egongo dira gozetuta. Montako dituzte etzai bat. Demetrius. Oh!
Gorchev's people made it after all. Looks like they were here for a while, until the cultists found them.
Oh, winged shafts.
Need to search the cave. Maybe Galena left something behind that I can take back to Leonid. I made it to the garden. You were right. Galena and a few others managed to get away. They took refuge in the cave for a while, but eventually the cultists found them. I found these papers, hidden behind the altar stone. For what it's worth, it looked like your people put up a hell of a fight.
What about Arcady? Was he...
No, there weren't many bodies at all. The cultists must have carried them off. I'm sorry, Leonid.
I have nothing left now. Red Axe and his monsters have taken everything. My home, my wife, now my son. They owe me a debt of blood, Captain. And by Urson, they will pay it. I will find someone to read the papers for me. Perhaps Arcady is mentioned in them.
Bueno, lagunok hau izan da dena min zuzeneko honetan, ez dut